And also, guys, after you cut your tubing, this is a I don't know what brand this is. This came from Supply House. It wasn't really expensive. This is plastic with steel cutters in it, kind of like a deburr inside and outside. So let's just try that. I'm just going to go very easy on this because they don't feel too bad. Shake it out. Now we'll do the outside. The outside's not bad at all. Also, I like to take a piece of emery cloth too and just kind of hit the outside. This doesn't take much, but you need to pay attention to this if you're going to go SharkBite, because that O-ring is going to push right up over that edge. And when SharkBites leak, it's because the O-ring has been damaged. Now when I run my finger down there, I feel nothing. And it didn't take that much. And also, they make these little metal reamers. Now, they work real nice too, and they pivot. And then wipe it out really good. When you get it prepped, a lot of plumbers will not bother with this, and I don't know why. Let me show you how easy it is. And then you know what depth your SharkBite is. This is some of the best money you can spend on plumbing tools. It's marked 3/4. This one here, you put it up in there. It's actually got an outside chamfer on it, a little steel disc cut into it. But I've got other tools in place of that. The idea here is to get your depth. That way there's no guessing. Put it up there. Now we'll do the SharkBite. Okay, I'm going to leave the plastic insert in it because it seems like it does not want to come out. And that's no big deal. It will self-align and doesn't restrict flow at all. You can see that. Some people take them out. You can. Just be careful. O-rings have been damaged by removing that insert with needle nose pliers. This is like the final touch or the final step. This is a 400 grit sandpaper, and I still like hitting that edge with that. And you got to be careful because you'll remove more copper doing this. Clean it up really good. If you do remove your mark, just go ahead and put it back on there. The only reason that's going to leak when I get done is if the O-ring was defective. I can't really get in there and lubricate the O-ring. They're supposed to be lubricated at the factory, but you never know. But I'm going to play it safe. Now I know when I push that up on the SharkBite that the O-ring inside the SharkBite has definitely got some of this super lube on it. Okay, we have our mark. And we know where we want to go. And there it is. It felt good and solid. And you can see our mark right there. That usually consists of a very high quality rubber gasket in there. And as you know, this is food grade. Doesn't mean I want to drink it. So now I've got some of that good silicone lube on that gasket for the long haul. I believe this step is purely optional, but I figure if you got the lube, what could it hurt? Work safe out there and have a good one.